Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome
I saw it on channel.
TV, where you can get
I saw it on Arise.
news.
Tompolo himself was accusing the military. It is so for us. I know this president, and I know this president is a stickler for the rule of law. He's going to make sure we need all the money. Have you been to United Arab Emirates? Have you been to Qatar? Go there and see what they have used their oil to do. Why can't we use our oil to do something? Where is the oil money going? It's not me. Oh. Me, I talk, they say I talk very raw. I speak very raw. Me, I'm okay. I have 4 wives. I have 22 children. And I have several SUVs. It's only jet I've not bought. So it's not me. No, I'm being frank with you. But when you know what is going on, the deprivation, when somebody calls you on the phone and say, my brother, I have not eaten since yesterday. The person went to school. The person has skills. But the system will not allow the person to excel. Why must we all become criminals to survive? Why must we all become beggars to survive? Why will opportunities not be given to us to raise our shoulders high and to be good men and women and to be good citizens? This is what it is. This is what Ahmed Bola Tinubu will bring about, and I believe it, and I know that he will succeed. I'm praying for him, and I'm also going to stand physically by him.